Morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today in our class we'll finish the rest of the exercises of 5th chapter as we have completed the lesson and even the half of the exercise in our last classes. So get ready with your readers at page number 37. Fine. So here in the first bit on page 37 is given we have to write S if the naming word is singular and P if it is plural. So we have to write here S for singular things and P for plural things. So we know कि what is a singular thing and what is a plural thing. So plural means ज़्यादा, singular means एक. Okay, जब एक कोई thing एक होती है तो we call it as a singular and when एक से बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं जैसे 2 होते हैं 3 होते हैं तो what do we call it as? We call it as plural. So here the first one is moon. So what is a moon? Moon एक है या बहुत ज़्यादा है? It is only one. So we'll write here S. Okay. Next one sky. What is a sky? Sky एक है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा है? It is only one. So what we'll write here? We'll write here it as S. Okay. Next one sun. Do we have many suns? 2 suns, 3 suns? Not S-O-N sun. Sun means beta. Here S-U-N sun. Sun means the hot bright ball of fire. Okay, that sun. So what it is? Are there 2 or 3 or only 1? It is only 1. So we'll write S as in singular. Okay. Next one stars. So at the night time when we look up at the sky we got to see many stars है ना. So अगर एक दिखाई देता तो हम बोल देते उसे star. So here it is given as stars. S-T-A-R-S stars. So they are many. One से बहुत ज़्यादा है तो we'll write it as plural P. Okay. Next one things. Things यानी कोई भी चीज़. So what we are saying it as things. हमने thing नहीं बोला है. Thing बोलते हैं तो only one thing. Things means many. बहुत ज़्यादा. तो what should we write? We must P. We must write it as P. Okay. Next one floor. Okay, floor. अब house floor. ठीक है, floor कैसा होता है? Single होता है? 2, 3 होते हैं? Only one. So S is not given means only one floor. We will write it as S there. Next one houses. Houses. S is given. That is many houses. House बोलते हैं तो one होता है. Houses means many. So what will we write? We'll write it as P. Plural. Next flowers. Flowers is many है ना. Flower है तो एक. Flowers यानी many, more than one. So we'll write it as again P plural. Fine. Okay. Now come to the next one. Use the joining word and to pair each word in a box A with the word in box B. So हमें क्या दिया गया है? Some words have been given in box A and some words have been given in box B. थोड़े words box A में हैं, थोड़े word box A में. तो हमें यहाँ pair करके लिखना है by adding and. Okay, क्या करना है? ये box के word से ये box का word join करके लिखना है but and बीच में attach करना है. Okay, by joining and. So here in this add 2 more words, only 6 are given, so make it as 8. Write the word down and lemons in this. Okay. So we'll get a picture of this. From there you can do it. So what it is? See the first one bread. So bread किससे match होता है? Stars से, fork से, butter से, round या फिर queen. Bread matches up with butter. So right here the first one has been done for us moon and stars. So second one will be bread and write and in between and butter. Okay, next one oranges. Oranges and lemons. Okay, oranges match up with lemons. Okay, and write and in between. Then chair. Chair goes with table. Okay, chair goes up with table. So chair and table. Next one up. Up goes with down. Up and down. Right and in between. Up and down. Next one, king. King goes with the, its pair is queen. So match it up with queen. King and queen. Okay. Next one, round. Round and round. Round and round. Then next one, knife. Knife and, उसका पेड़ क्या होता है? Knife and fork. Okay kids, did you got it? Like bread and butter, king and queen, chair and table, knife and fork, round and round, up and down, oranges and lemon. Okay, fine. Now the next one. Here what you have to do, you have to work in pairs and talk about the moon. You can use the words given in the help box. So it's a speaking skill. So as you all know, what you have to do with the speaking skill, you have to do it with your family members, your parents, your siblings, your brothers, sisters, cousins, whoever. You have to do the talking practice with them. You have to speak up with them in English. So what you have to talk today about? About the moon. You have to talk about moon. Okay. So what are the hints given here? You can say that the moon shines in the sky at night. The moon is round in shape. The moon changes its shape. The moon has no light. The moon is smaller than the sun. Okay. So these are the hints given. Based on these hints, आप आपके घर पे try to speak in English. Okay. Now come up to the next one. Turn your pages. Here a poem is been given. Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to read this poem, memorize it, learn it and send it in the group. Okay, so what is the poem here? Good morning, merry sunshine, how did you wake so soon? You scared away the little stars and shined away the moon. So this little girl who is getting up in the early morning, she is talking with the sun. She is saying good morning to the sun. She is saying, how did you wake up so soon? You scared away the little stars and shined away the moon. So she is talking with the sun and she is saying, okay, you wake up so early today and as you came so early, the stars and the moon, they went away. You bring for us a lovely day to sing and play and learn. You give us light and keep us warm. We wait for your return. So the girl is also appreciating the sun. Sun की तारीफ कर रहे हैं as you bring for us a lovely day. Sun क्या करता है? हमें एक lovely day लेकर आता है to sing, play and learn. So in daytime we sing, we go to school, we play, we learn, we do many things in the daylight, है ना? जब सन आता है तो ये daylight आती है, तो day में हम बहुत सारे काम करते हैं. You give us light and keep us warm. What do we get from the sun? We get light and it keeps us warm. We wait for your return, isn't it? So every night we wait for the sun to come up as it will be a next bright day, है ना? Daily हम क्या करते हैं? Next day का wait करते हैं. So when does the next day come? The next day comes when there is sun in the sky. Okay, so we'll do this once again. Good morning, merry sunshine. How did you wake so soon? You scared away the little stars and shined away the moon. You bring for us a lovely day to sing and play and learn. You give us light and keep us warm. We wait for your return. Okay kids, so based on this poem, you have been given 3 questions. Those questions you have to answer. So we see the first question. Who scared away the little stars? Little stars को कौन डरा दिए? Why did they went away? Because of the sunshine, right? Sunshine scared away the little stars. Who brings for us a lovely day? हमारे लिए lovely day कौन लाता है? Sunlight. The sunlight brings us the lovely day. Who gives us light? Light कौन देता है? Obviously sun. So write sun here. Sun gives us light. Next, write the naming word for the following describing words. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? इसका naming word, noun लिखना है. ये जो words describe कर रहे हैं based on this poem, ये poem के based पे जो words है उसके हमें naming word लिखना है. See here, the first one is little. So यहाँ poem में little किसे बताया गया है? So in the third line, little stars है ना? नाउन क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? स्टार्स. So write stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. We know that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Next one, lovely. What is lovely? The second stanza of the poem is lovely day, है ना? Lovely day. Third one, warm. Who keeps us warm? The sun. Sun keeps us warm. Merry. Merrily कौन है यहाँ पे? Happily कौन है यहाँ पे? The sunshine. So write here the sunshine. Okay kids. So now the last part of the exercise, thinking skill. So here a picture has been given. In this different types of animals are being formed. Okay, इसमें क्या है? बहुत different type के animals है. You can see ना, there's an elephant, tortoise, fish, rhinoceros, many things, animals are there. So what you have to do? You have to find out all the animals, you have to guess all the animals and write their names here. See, 10 animals in a muddle, all mixed in one. So, all mixed in one, you have to find them and write it here. So, I have written first one as bull, second as rhinoceros, third one as deer. So, I got only 3 and the rest you have to write, okay. You can see there, है ना? You can see the fish, you can see the tortoise, you can see the giraffe, you can see even see the lion also. So, I can't find these animals, you have to find these animals and write their names, okay kids. So, in the next class we will start our next 6th lesson. Till then try to complete your reader work and classwork. So, stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.